Okay, so here we have an outrigger, kayak, canoe, whatever. And you can see there's some tape here. Not sure what that's hiding. This is gel coated more than likely, and it's faded out. UV will do that to you. And then, gave it a quick once over. Not sure what's up with that tape there. It looks like it could be cracked underneath. And then the edge here looks like some of it has come off, and then you can see there like there was a repair done here that now has cracked open, and there's like gel coat blisters. That's what all these little holes are. There's just air was entrapped in it when it was built, and now they're finally breaking. So this is all kind of faded out. And then there's another big crack there, another one here, pretty big one there. So not sure, there's probably a lot of stress going on in there. Then into the inside, well, I'm not really sure about what's up with this. It looks like, I guess they must put non-skid painted in there for your feet. So the seats seem to be okay. I don't know if that tape is for comfort or if it's got a crack in it or what. And then this has got a high chair, I guess, on it, making the seat a little higher. And again, there's a high chair there, I'll call it. So we got all the water that was out of the bow section and the stern section. Oops, sorry about that. So I can't really get on the inside to go down the whole thing because it's on the trailer still. But I can see that right there at the splash guard, that's all taped up and cracked too. So I'm not sure if there's many cracks on the gunnel going down the side of this one. So now the hulls, from what we can see for now, they seem to be okay. I guess there are some probably bruise marks from the paddles where they hit the boat, and that's just inevitable to happen. So there's a little tape action here, not sure what's up with that. And then as I come down here, you can see where this is cracked too. So until we take it off the trailer, that's about all I can tell so far.